Everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use story archive on Instagram. So you need to know how to use Instagram archive if you want to become expert on Instagram. So first of all, you need to open your app, then tap your right bottom corner, it's a profile icon. Tap here, you can see right top corner, it's a three line. Then tap here archive. So now you can see here, it's you can find video. This is story highlights, this is date wise. You can, if you have a lot of archive, then you can select the month or age. You can, this is map, and you can see here this is down arrow. Simply tap here, and which type of archive stories, which type of things you deleted or made it archive, you'll find here. Maybe it's instant archive, or maybe live archive, maybe post archive, or maybe stories archive. So you will find here all type of archive here, this one. So once you find the archive, then you can go maybe okay, extra archive, go this, and you can see here, you can share, you can activity, then you can see more, you can save video, you can delete this archive, you can turn off commenting, and also you can tap here, and this is the same.